Are you seeing the vstdlib-s64.dll in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. While preparing the manual steps for vstdlib-s64, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the vstdlib-s64, the source engine standard library, 64-bit. It provides unmanaged core C++ utility routines used by 64-bit source-based games. It manages memory allocation, string handling, and data link manifests between different game engine modules for real-time multiplayer orchestration. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. vstdlib-s64 belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including vstdlib-s64. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of vstdlib-s64.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If registry clutter or vstdlib-s64 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved vstdlib-s64 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.